Hi there, Julia here to tell you about one of our new fragrances for the fall and holiday season, Peppermint Mocha. This smells like my favorite peppermint flavored chocolates. Peppermint Mocha brings a familiar coffee shop favorite to life with a top note of creamy coconut milk that opens up to a heart of peppermint with rich chocolate and vanilla notes in the base to round things out. Peppermint Mocha is a skin-safe fragrance, so it's a great choice for creating delectable bath and body products like sugar scrubs and body butters. And of course, you can't go wrong with the scent in a candle, like this fun Peppermint Mocha latte candle we whipped up. In our white straight-sided tumbler, with a familiar-looking label we've used before, designed with Avery weed print, you have an eye-catching candle perfectly at home in any coffee shop or on any coffee table. So try out a sample of Peppermint Mocha for yourself, and please share your thoughts with the review below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.